romantic, man.
Make show them.
Show them. Now show them.
We'll show them.
Show them.
Make a little word no.
I'm
a baby so romantic.
Yeah, romantic. Me, I look at the fantastic.
Yesterday, just stop.
Yeah, I'm here, baby. I'm here. How is you?
Yesterday.
Say you miss me first.
Wait. I want to explain.
I want to be missed.
I want to explain it. It's a given, it's a constant. I always miss you. Even when you are here, I still miss you. Here's the thing. Yesterday.
Yes.
Ogbolo, when I sit here only me, now this place I sit down.
You are
I
feeling
can't face this table.
Yes.
And I started by saying this table look like a coffee table, but there's no food on top. I say, I say, everything I talk no make sense. Now I say, go break. I was just talking off key yesterday. Everything when I they talk off key.
You are feeling the vibe.
He reached one stage. I tell them, I say, please, I just want it to be 12 o'clock.
Make it baffle. Make it
so that
raw.
we can just go. The show can just finish. That yesterday, it did me like he has never done me before.
They don't give you talk back, me.
I've been get talk back.
They don't shout for your ear. Say, break.
I don't know whether they worry them. Now that yesterday, when we need them to the G's, they talk. They no can they talk.
No man, Ani Baba. Ani Baba, our director for back. And so they shout anyhow. Break! 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 One day we'll break you. Break anyhow.
But I just want to tell you that he that was in me that yesterday,
yes,
now that yesterday I know that is greater than he that was in two of us. Because, Ogbolo,
yes,
that yesterday.
You have to bring it.
I didn't see. That, I think yesterday was one of the worst days of the show. Yes, because yesterday, you know follow.
You see,
you know follow.
2 is better than 1.
Go follow.
2 is better than 1. You see, that's the reason why, that's not the PADI show. You understand? If you don't get PADI in your life, that can, just, don't shout in my ear again, break. If you don't get PADI for your life, when you balance your life, you're in trouble. You're in trouble. Because when you enter inside trouble, who can help you? Understand me now? Who can help you? So, well, my name, Ogbo's baby. Sorry for my absence yesterday. I just got to take care of some other things.
I already apologized for you. I got you.
Yeah.
I got you. You understand? Okay. So let's just break it down.
Okay. My one I be named, I know my guy.
Yeah, my guy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's just break it down real quick. Yeah.
No time. African parents don't get chills.
No time. Coming through, mean through, wish. Council in Lama Fish tissue.
See, that part now, they use Yoruba talk. But when they tell me on Thursday,
you don't get forgiving spirit.
You don't
still think about
that. Forgiving spirit.
No, you don't get forgiving spirit. You know they ever forgive anything for this your life. You still you can't think am. Why are you like this?
I should talk a lot. Remember him now. Coming true. In true. No tissue. Joe, you know such a dark now. You know such a dark.
Yes, you don't dark.
Which evil boy that we do? Leko,
can't repair this thing.
Can't do this thing, no. You don't can't scatter everything now. Anyway, make we shall do our talk.
All right, you want to give us the yarn or what?
This yarn us the yarn, man. You understand? We ain't got time for.
I be like Whoopi. I don't know why. Anytime I just look, I could just imagine Whoopi.
No, today no be like Whoopi.
You sure about that?
Today be like. So now make I talk with you. I want to talk, Abby. Today, Mayowa, you know be like Whoopi Goldberg. You be like mopstick.
My hair.
You tell you like this now. Upside down.
Me mop ground.
They feel easy.
You know get sense.
You
know say na white to stain. I will kiss your shirt.
White to stain.
I will kiss your shirt now. Everything will stain red.
Now me no come kiss your own back. You go see what they use hand comot.
You see my lipstick. I will put it in significant places on your shirt.
It go shock you. Where me I go put my own back.
Try me.
Now Robert, now you appear.
Try me.
Yeah. Father lap day with her for last. It go shock you.
So anyway, if you're there for inside Lagos and you go there around on Thursday, on Sunday, you need to come and see where people they battle themselves with comedy.
For battle?
Comedy, strictly comedy on Sunday.
Where they
for inside Muson Center for Lagos.
Spontaneity.
And no be spontaneity. MC Shaggy.
Oh, for Muson Center.
For Muson Center.
Ajib Hall.
So if you there inside Lagos on Sunday, the name of the system is beef. If you want to see where people are doing spontaneous comedy
On
Go
the spot.
make sense on the spot, on the skibby one, skibby two, skibby three. Come to Muson Center on Sunday.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. So right about now,
it's
called
5,000.
5,000. Yes. Come and watch people they do, and you go laugh bellyful.
Yes.
You laugh and in fact, vein if you cut for your neck when you
Yes.
do.
All right, Yandi, don't put on.
Yeah, they don't put on.
Oh, okay.
That time they cut us short now.
Okay.
Yeah, let's move short up.
Okay. So let's go straight into Yandi. How many of you like meat? If you know, say you love meat, well, this information is going to be very, very beneficiary to you, because in the America place now, they don't find another way to make people eat more of red meat. But I mean, yes, say too much red meat is actually not healthy.
No, they're healthy. Red meat, some people they even say make you just not even chop red meat at
all.
all.
Okay, so Mustafa Farouk, senior food technologist at AG Research, don't partner with Oakland boutique chocolate maker Devonport Chocolates to bring meat chocolate to the masses. Now, what be meat chocolate? 50% meat, but they do them and mix them with gravy and chocolate. So, say if you bite them like this, you go think say na chocolate they chop, but you are eating lots of meat. That is it.
So as they just talk this gist now, say no say Clifford Dodge go dey happy now.
They know say human meat, beef. Now, Farouk described the taste of beef chocolate as wonderful, adding that although people are initially put off by the unique something, once you just tell them say na meat, people go say, no, I don't want to eat that so much meat. But the moment they taste them, they'll be like, wow.
Wow.
Bring in some more meat.
Chocolate meat.
Yeah, so that is it. That's
so all this one now meat, but now in chocolate.
Red meat in chocolate. And you can't even know the funny thing. Them do them. You know when they get chocolate balls or
Yeah.
chocolate squares, when you say go see small piece of chocolate. You go just pick carry and just
Okay,
just
so
throw am
you
for mouth.
small
Yes,
things.
tiny. You go just pick carry and just throw am for mouth.
Chocolate bars is better said.
Chocolate
no,
bar.
No, they use chocolate balls.
No, chocolate balls, because they are round. There are some chocolate balls, they're round, and there's chocolate square, like this picture going on right now. Chocolate bars are pretty long and skinny.
Okay.
You know, chocolate bars, chocolate
bars,
balls,
okay.
and chocolate squares.
No, I prefer like me, I prefer the chocolate squares. But not chocolate balls, no. I know finish up that chocolate balls. You know, go well with me as man, you understand?
They won't commercialize them now.
Okay.
Now, experiment they still they do, but when they see say small people don't they see say, you know, people when they bring them for tasting. You know, so when you start new something like chocolate, people will come taste them. They tasted it and they felt it was really nice, so they won't commercialize them.
All this one na packaging now.
Yeah,
na packaging. Now they sell bolly. Mona, do try this kind of thing.
Something like a gravy ball.
You
understand? Mixed with gravy.
Or bolly balls.
No, do you understand? Or maybe if they sell akara, you just turn it to cheese akara.
Yeah.
Also, you know, wrap it in some cheese. Tell them for adding weight therapy, cheese akara. Eat 5 cheese akara, add 5 kg. You know, that's something.
On packaging.
Yeah, packaging.
Why don't akara come inside newspaper?
Beans balls.
Beans balls or beans cake.
Beans cake.
Yeah, you know. So, but if you don't take package jam, you know, instead, you know, why before that thing, all those now they put them.
Yes.
They can't sell them now.
Inside,
they sell them.
you know, begri.
Yes.
Begri for Yoruba soup, na beans soup. Where then go mix everything, you know, very sweet soup. You can even package it. Instead of calling it begri, you can call it beggi sachet or something. Don't worry. Packaging.
Yes, sir.
Just call them
beggi
like that.
sachet.
Beggi sachet.
Yeah.
So you can tell him, Okbolo, I'm coming to your house. Get me some beggi sachet
Yeah.
and some Garion balls. That's Gary.
Let me Gary.
You understand? Garion balls. So what are you having for lunch? Gary sachet and Garion balls. I mean,
you know,
it sounds very touche.
Shields, man. That's so.
Begiri. No.
Begiri. Just be like, say, just begiri.
Yeah.
You are begiri.
Yes.
You know, don't make too much sense.
Yes.
You understand? So you can just hop your game.
If you want to eat pap, if you want to drink pap, you just tell them trained corn. Because when you train the corn, when you grind them, not training, you go on to the pap.
So trained corn.
Trained corn.
No, you're using a liquid now. So you have to be trained, not watery corn.
Not watery corn. Not watery corn.
Trained liquefied, it comes like chemical. We will find that name.
Corn H2O or something.
Or something, you know,
you
just to make it
what are you having for dinner? Oh,
you understand?
Trained corn.
And
that's trained corn and bean balls.
And bean balls.
It's just it's fantastic.
I don't know. I'll tell you, put in the chance was build this
yes.
one.
If you ever going mashed beans and flattened bread.
Oh, no. That bread, mono change in it. Agege. It has to be agege.
Or you can call it agegs.
Agegs.
Mashed beans are agegs bread.
Mashed beans and agegs breads or gigs breads.
Wow.
Or greggies.
He just said Greggies. He is so not well. Greggies. Give them your gist.
My dear. Anyway, on our packaging, you understand? Like, I get them say, I'm going to Yabzi. Wait, Yaba. We really come to O'Reilly.
O'Reilly?
So O'Reilly. Come like one, Paris store like that, O'Reilly. Okay, so now. Okay. People don't decrease for this word. I know. I do timbo basket like People don't decrease now for the world and everywhere. Thank God say we still get ourselves for this part. For both side, people now don't marry different things. Might stop that. Be professional now. With the word, you are going to enter my church. Stay for that side and just be yourself. When you talk your own gist, and they dabble in. Okay, so no call dabble on my own. Now, people they marry. I don't hear a person will marry in motor. Person marry tree. Person marry in dog. You know, say no, if you be black person, maybe you don't live like that. But you won't come shock everybody now. This one, you name artist. Now, artist the guy be Aaron Chevenak from Los Angeles for Las Vegas, Nevada. And as it be like this now, he can look now, can say, which be the thing we are get longest relationship with? Maybe say I always go for solace. Maybe say I always go look say this thing. I they get my time. Now in time I always get. We love ourselves. At the same time, it's not my best friend and the best relationship I get. Imagine what this guy can say he won't go marry.
Pencil.
No.
Beer bottle.
No.
Picture.
No.
Chair.
No.
His bed.
No.
Cupboard.
No.
TV.
No. The guy marrying smartphone. He come and marry smartphone. In phone. I know say as people they watch this now, all of them say, hey, not true. He marry in smartphone. Because now the thing we get here now, and he put ring on top the whole level. So, as it be so, the world is turning.
People came for the wedding.
No, see what they worry me now. Not even the guy, because him feed the Chris. You understand?
Now the person where they do the joining.
Now person where they do the joining one, and then people will come for the wedding. Two. I mean, you wait, just move your house, okay, your brother is getting married, wow, what's the name of his wife? No, actually a smartphone, now biggest relationship with that, your longest relationship, and the most trusted relationship with that, and he's getting married to it, not be her. So that means for your mind, now you no go born.
It's not about burning.
It's not about burning, it's about companionship.
You see, there's something wrong with the state of mind of people.
Wow.
I think that, Ogbolo, now only us well for this world, though.
Now at this point, I don't believe that thing now. Say now only us, now really, now just for this side, just like now only we still get ourselves. You know, even though some people don't they carry off key somehow.
People know really well, oh. People get problem, oh.
Now this one, you all look and say, man, my phone now I want marry, my phone now I want
so,
marry.
Ogbolo, you go just go meet Mama Ogbolo now. Say, Mama Ogbolo.
I don't find wife.
The best thing that's ever happened to me was this shoe you bought for me when I was 5 years old. For this reason, I want to marry this shoe. Ayo wasos ya. Call everybody you know. We have to have this battle. A spiritual battle. We will fight this thing. Something is done wrong somewhere. My son cannot do this. Devil, you can't have it.
Kneel down. Mama was just saying, kneel down. Kneel down. She can't tie her scarf.
Or make Ani Baba just come meet you now and say, Ogbolo, I think that I want to marry this mouse to control computer. It's the greatest thing that I have.
For Ani Baba, it's possible. Ani Baba now be our director again. It's possible. Because Ani Baba, he just like to do that thing.
Okay, he always thought that.
He always, every time you touch it, so.
That's why sometimes we go just talk, he go just cut us.
Yes, because you don't go over touch it.
Maybe they are going on a date. You go just.
So the world is getting upside down. But please, Africans and Nigerians, when they watch this thing like that, no people they Obodo too. Please, when I try getting ourselves. Not every longing is a good longing.
You see, here's the thing. I go just beg everybody.
Marry my shoe now.
Keep your insanity. Whatever, keep your insanity. Whatever makes you sane, maintain it.
Keep your sanity.
Yeah, keep your sanity. Not be no. Keep your sanity. Anything where they make you they sane, where make you they normal.
Exactly.
Hold on to it. Because, hey, people don't well, Let's go on
break. Please break. You know,
I can't yellow one. Yes, sir.
No, but fine now.
Okay.
See your break, you know. Oh, no. I just hear EA voice from back. For those of now, you know, EA now, your other producer, EA just talk small.
I think one day we're going to bring all of them. And introduce them. You want to talk on stage?
On stage.
We're going to bring all of them and introduce them one, so that when we mention Ani, you know who we're talking about. When we mention EA, you know who we're talking about. When we mention Ada, you know who we are talking about.
Yes, for those of you who don't know, Ada now in the run things, you know, just the run things for back, just the press things, they form are busy, they form, wow, this thing.
Yes, our Jeff has moved on to greater things.
Yes, so to greater things. So we don't announce and give them before now. You know, I do special efforts going.
All right, so back to the last part of Yarn the Yarn. This particular man for Inside Cote d'Ivoire, he do something where they very, very touching, amazing, and beautiful. Now lecturer, right? His students they write exam. The man, one of his students get picking, and the baby was crying.
And she carried the picking come for the exam.
Yes, she carried the picking come for the exams because probably maybe nowhere where she won't keep the child. Maybe she doesn't have a nursery or something. She carried the picking come there, and the man collects the picking for her hand, back the child to stop him from crying. Now, waiting can't trip people. Be say he back him the typical African way. He carry something, tie the picking. He literally put the baby on his back, used a towel.
Untied the thing.
To tie him. Waited, that's him. Waited till the lady finish exam and then gave the baby back.
No, this man, I feel say we're supposed to give a round of applause.
This is so
you understand?
amazing.
We're supposed to give a round of applause because this I remember when I see the gist, I think yesterday or so, I said no. Because the way some lecturers take B for schools, they will come out you. The woman.
If you don't write that exam.
If you don't write that exam.
Yeah.
You understand? But this guy just using initiative, you know, carry the people for back. And people just, you know, they're going to get that good with it.
Yeah.
They look in mama and say, me copy well. You know, very beautiful move. Maybe like a rugged man also talk say, now a new hero be this. Yeah. So, but very good move by the lecturer. I mean, I think more people than when they didn't serve position. Maybe they see themselves as people than when they serve. Not really. You know,
or maybe the man has something for kids. You know, when people will love children, when you see them around kids, they are different people.
Some people get love. Some people get love for kids.
They are different people.
No, but maybe the man are one of those kind of people, sha. Anyway, nice one, nice gist. I get my own last gist. This one also, not too long. 54-year-old man from China. The man now, obesity can't do him. He don't come too big. He can't too fat. He can't say, okay, how you go take reducing weight? How you go take, you know, just come and small himself, small, make your fellow be like me. Somehow. The guy can look say, okay, I know if you go gym. Okay, I know if you take all those diets, you know, chopping things and drinking things. I know what I go do. What you go do? Go carry stone. 40 kg stone.
Yeah.
Put for head. So you go walk a long distance every day, so that you go they burn fat. And then I look and say, see the man. I look and say, come on. You know first tall. You can't carry stone. Put for head. Yeah, we don't say you burn fat, but you are also reducing your height the most. But anyway, my own pattern.
If you work for
some people, they work for
I just hope it doesn't affect something with his head.
In head, no waiting. I mean,
because
people they sell bonds for express for they put bonds for head.
But 40 kg is a lot.
40 kg heavy.
40 kg is a lot. So 40 kg is just a little bit added to 40 kg is about what I weigh.
So that means if they carry almost you.
Add like 12 to, add like 15 kg to that. That's what I weigh. I weigh 55. 55 is not so light.
So if we're on
some
AC
big
now
people,
full,
some big people that I know weigh 60. Ogbolo. Even you, I don't think you weigh up to 60.
Me?
Yes.
82 now.
Why you did lie?
So
why you did
go
lie?
for laugh now.
Why you did lie?
My bone are strong.
55 is
I get to a strong bone.
It's my birthday. Where's my birthday gift? It's your birthday. Yes, Dad. Your school fees. Happy birthday. The food you eat in this house. Happy birthday. The clothes you wear. Happy birthday. Do I charge you rent to live here? Happy birthday, my dear son.
So take it. So you take them. Happy birthday to you. God bless you. Just continue living in my house until you are getting money to pack out and go and look for your own house. Thank you very much.
Follow us on Twitter at Wazobia PADI. Follow us individually at Mayawa Ekpo and at Ogbolo on Instagram, at Mayawa Lambe, at Foni Ogbolo on Twitter. We do on top YouTube and we also do on top Facebook /Wazobia TVNG. Look for PADI. Follow the station at Wazobia TVNG on Instagram. That's it.
Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll see you now tomorrow again. God bless you. I hope that they enjoy the whole show. No worry, not shaking. We'll make sure we do every to just make everybody look, they feel okay. All right, so.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.